In one word, define how does being called Code Queen make you feel?
अभी तो it feels empowered.
Dynamic,
Dignified.
like the feeling of yes, I can do this hit different.
For me, it was बहुत ही at times emotionally breaking हो गया था.
Winning RoboMaze competition, like I got the first prize in my team, so it was the proudest moment.
मेरा proudest moment अभी January में हुआ था. We made one project and we got a chance to present it IIT Delhi के entrepreneurship competition में.
Recently, मैंने एक NST के project पे काम किया था, study buddy, and I showed it to my parents and to explain them like what I actually do. So that was my proud moment.
Because already मैं जल्दी frustrate हो जाती हूँ. It's particularly a mess, but it's a beautiful mess. मजा आ रहा है.
Hey, I'm Mehak from Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh, currently studying computer science in AI and ML at NST.
Hello everyone, my name is Ananya. I am from Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh, and I am currently pursuing my BTech degree from Newton School of Technology, Pune.
Hi, myself Gayatri. I'm from Siddharth Nagar, Uttar Pradesh, currently pursuing my BTech in CSC.
So Ananya, tell, तेरी coding journey कैसे start हुई थी?
So, मेरी कोडिंग जर्नी न्यूटन आके स्टार्ट हुई थी. आई कम फ्रॉम अ नॉन टेक बैकग्राउंड. 11th-12th में भी नो कंप्यूटर साइंस. द जर्नी बेसिकली बिगिन एज द कोर्स हियर बिगिन एंड it's fun abhi tak.
I did my high school from an ICSE board, so I got introduced to Java in 9th class, and that is where I started.
तो यहाँ आने से पहले ही start हो गया था.
हाँ.
तो मैं तू बता, how did your journey started here?
Honestly, college आके start हुई थी. Totally unplanned था, but now I am loving it. So Gayatri, do you remember first thing you ever built or coded?
Yeah, so it was like a year before I made a Spotify clone, which was basic HTML and CSS, but running codes through terminal for the first time.
You were in which class when you coded?
I was in 12th, like 11th ending and 12th.
तो हमारा तो first website or project, whatever it was together only. We made a website during a hackathon. 2 hours में we somehow figured out. It was our first time making a website on VS Code and all, and we figured out a way and we made a website. So guys, when was that the D-Day जब लगा कि हाँ अब मजा आ रहा है coding में?
Tough questions solve होना चालू हो गए थे. Like the feeling of yes, I can do this hit different.
Or what about you?
So back in school, at starting I didn't score very good in computer science, but later on started to get those 99s and 100s, and that constant dopamine rush that made me feel really good.
मेरा भी कुछ ऐसे ही था. Like during the journey here, I realized कि हाँ question के साथ बैठने में, उसको analyze करने में, solve करने में, और जब वो tough question बन जाता है, that very one question, तो मतलब वो dopamine rush आता है और फिर वो अच्छा लगने लगा. Realize नहीं हुआ when we started enjoying it.
So guys, what was your proudest moment throughout this journey while coding?
Winning RoboMaze competition, like I got the first prize in my team. सुबह से लगे पड़े थे बस कोडिंग पे, एंड देन फिर लग नहीं रहा था कि होगा, पर जैसे ही वो बन गया था एंड वी सॉ आवर रोबोट सॉल्विंग कॉम्प्लेक्स पजल्स, सो इट वाज द प्राउडेस्ट मोमेंट.
मेरा प्राउडेस्ट मोमेंट अभी जनवरी में हुआ था. वी मेड वन प्रोजेक्ट एंड वी गॉट अ चांस टू प्रेजेंट इट IIT दिल्ली के एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कंपटीशन में. वी वर सिलेक्टेड अमंग द टॉप 10 टीम्स इन अबाउट 1500 टीम्स.
रिसेंटली मैंने एक NST के प्रोजेक्ट पे काम किया था, स्टडी बडी, एंड I showed it to my parents. Like, my parents don't come from a tech background, they are just business people. And to explain them like what I actually do and what I implement on my studies. So that was my proud moment. So Nanya, how was it preparing for something as intense as ICPC?
Intense ही था बस बहुत ज़्यादा. Because it was like I participated last year, so we had a summer camp going for 3 days. So for 3 days we had legit classes from 9 to 9. And उसके बाद contests and all that things, and now also we are preparing for Algo Queens. तो तब भी it's just every Wednesday, every Saturday contest, and then after contest discussions and problem solving, and it's all this while of since we've been in NST and we all have been through a roller coaster ride. कैसी रही है journey emotionally, personally? कैसे challenges face कर रहे हैं तुमने?
Major challenge was time management, and तुम लोग ने भी ये face किया होगा.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Like struggling between contests, classes, projects, and doing other stuff like ICPC and all together. It's really tough.
For me it was बहुत ही at times emotionally breaking हो गया था because already मैं जल्दी frustrate हो जाती हूँ और फिर उसके बाद hectic environment, time नहीं manage हो रहा है, अगर time manage हो रहा है, acads manage हो रहे हैं तो extra acads रह जा रहे हैं, extra acads ज़्यादा manage हो रहे हैं तो acads रह जा रहे हैं. It's particularly a mess but it's a beautiful mess. मज़ा आ रहा है.
For me it's managing personal life and acads both साथ में और फिर एल्गो क्वीन और ओपन सोर्स भी साथ में करना जब दोनों साइड से
हाँ.
साथ ये करना है वो करना है क्या करना है
वो
समझ
वाला
नहीं।
चॉइस पॉइंट जब आया था तब भी बहुत ब्रेकिंग हुआ था. इमोशनल जर्नी वो पूरी ऐसे हो गया था कि अब कहाँ जाएं क्या करें.
How has this environment at NST helped you grow as a person and as a coder both?
सो मेरे लिए तो कोडिंग वाइज बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट है. लाइक ग्रोथ तो प्रो मैक्स ही है. लाइक आई हैव कम फ्रॉम अ नॉन टेक और उसके बाद फिर एज अ कोडर इट इज़ अ वेरी लाइक एक्सपोनेंशियली ही बहुत ग्रो हुआ है.
For me, it was our progression managers. They encouraged us in participation, and our faculties who always told us about the new opportunities around us. So, due to them, I was able to participate in Hacktoberfest.
For me like पहले तो कुछ भी नहीं आता है अब इतनी सारी चीज़ें यहाँ आके बना रहे हैं. लाइक यहाँ पे हमेशा कुछ हैकेथॉन्स कंपटीशन टीचर्स और टीममेट्स होते हैं जो तुम्हें पुश करते हैं टू लेवल अप.
So guys, what's that one real world problem that you're aiming to solve and build something on it? Is there any?
Maybe I could solve the problem of online shopping. Like, we do find problems in sizes, fitting. Guys, so what is that one piece of advice you would like to give to your younger self?
So I would give this advice: you don't get tensed on everything which is there. Just be calm. Everything is gonna be fine, and everything will fall at its place.
For me it would be don't be afraid to try, fail and try once again.
In one word, define how does being called Code Queen make you feel?
Abhi to it feels empowered.
Dynamic,
Dignified,